Holy crap. We have two Hennessey Venom F5. Look at this lineup. Got the Hawaii, got the Bugatti, special editions, the Veyrons. This is sick. I'm just gonna talk over this music because it's copyrighted. Just gonna do a quick walk around of these cars. Couple of CGTs over there. These are all just eye candies, man.
Just outside the western main gate. A reminder that the Rolls-Royce Motor Cars press conference will begin in 5 minutes, 9:50 a.m. at the Rolls-Royce Field Exhibition.
Just a casual $17 million 250 GTO right here.
The wrong plate here. So there should be a ring.
Press conference will begin in 5 minutes at 10:05 a.m. at the Bugatti Rimac Field Exhibition.
And let's check out the Lamborghini stand where they're going to unveil the new electric Lamborghini, which is kind of sad, but let's see. Let's see how it looks in person. And we have the Revuelto right there.
Begin in 5 minutes at 8:05 a.m. at the Roof Field Exhibition.
What I craved was more than TV. It was movement. Constant the earth, my kitchen. Be bold, be happy. My parents always told me. The little girl with the dirty face and scuffed plate. I wanted to go beyond my body. To explore jungles and glaciers.
Look what we have there. Mr. Rachel Pagani himself checking out the Lamborghini. We have the Revuelto and the new electric Lamborghini Lanzador. Lamborghini.
Però è guidabile,
Feel fucking loud enough, people are looking at me.
I have to come back to this car when it's sunny. Just look at the color and the reflections and the carbon fiber under the sun. This is one of my all-time favorite car.
Philip, you need this car. You have the right
No, questo è proprio stato.
Pagani overload right here. Got the Huayra, the Utopia, Huayra R, Zonda R Revolution, Zonda S,